The launch of the new AWS center here in Africa, especially in South Africa, it's already making an impact, because even before that was launched, AWS was already having an impact on a lot of us. I know this because right now where I'm at was through the help of their cloud technology. So
before Explore Digital Academy, I was from the IT background, so I studied for my national diploma in IT from Central University of Technology, and I also did my program in system analysis at Scottsdale Community College in the US. And before that, when I came back to the country, I spent quite a number of time without finding a job, and that's when I got into Explore Data Science Academy.
I went on Facebook for the first time in I don't know how many years, and I saw the ad. And then when they were talking about Explore, they made it sound like Silicon Valley. They said there's a mixture of PhD students, dropouts, and all of that. That sounded like Silicon Valley to me. So I wanted to be a part of that, and I applied.
It was a major shift for me in my career. By the end of the program, gaining all those skills from the AWS technologies as well as data science skills from the academy, I already had 2 jobs at the end of the program. I'm currently a data analyst for TransUnion Africa, as well as a vice chairperson for ADESA, which stands for African Data Engineering, Sciences and Analytics.
My exposure to AWS cloud services before joining Explore Data Science Academy, I had 0 exposure. My new skills helped me to succeed in terms of career opportunities. There is more demand for people with data skills or professionals with data skills. I got 2 jobs within the space of a year. I got to create value to my company in terms of using data skills at the early stage of my career.
With the data that you get from South Africa, from Africa as a whole, we can use that data to solve problems that we are getting here in Africa, right? So it's easy for us to get those challenges, to know what this is the challenges, get the data, and then use that same data to derive insights that are going to solve problems for us as Africans.
I could immediately harness the power of cloud and my new skill set immediately, and found myself marketable, and in another way I didn't believe it was possible.
I believe that AWS technologies can stimulate the South African economy in the future.
The new AWS region right here in Cape Town, South Africa, will be able to stimulate a whole lot more collaboration, right? Not only for us as South Africans, but as well as, Africa as a whole.